Hi, I'm Cheryl McGeed. I am the coordinator for the Pancreatic Cancer Multidisciplinary Program. I have been working with Maureen and the Wings of Hope Foundation for many years now, and with their grant funding, we have been able to work towards our mission of conquering pancreas cancer. 100% of their proceeds goes towards innovative research in the CU Cancer Center, and we're lucky to have this partnership.
Hello, my name is Yuan from surgery department. So my research is about the cancer immunotherapy. So with the funding from the Wings of Hope, so we're able to translate our cancer immunotherapy from melanoma to pancreatic cancer.
Hi, my name is Dan LaBarbera. I'm a professor of pharmaceutical sciences in the Skaggs School of Pharmacy. I'm also the director of the Center for Drug Discovery. And my laboratory is focused on developing novel drugs targeting new oncogenes. And in particular, the oncogene that we're interested in developing drugs against, we've shown has a role in promoting pancreatic cancer in terms of its ability to proliferate, but also survive. So we're very happy and honored to receive funding from the Wings of Hope Foundation because it's allowing us to develop this drug therapy specific for pancreatic cancer patients. And we're collaborating with Dr. Natalie Sarkova and to advance not only the therapeutic treatment with these drugs, but also utilizing advanced imaging along with our drug treatment.
Yeah, thank you, Dan. I'm Natalie Sarkova, and I'm professor in radiology. And my background is oncologic imaging. And pancreatic cancer is very challenging for diagnostic radiology to catch the cancer early enough, but it's also challenging to see the treatment response in pancreatic patients. So working with the drugs which are developed in Dr. LaBarbera lab, we're looking for imaging biomarkers which can be translated from animal studies to the clinical trials when those drugs will be introduced to the patients. And the Wings of Hope really allowed us to develop cutting-edge imaging technology which are translational, which can go from an animal to the human patient, and we're really looking forward to impact a lot of lives by looking for the imaging response in treated patients with advanced targeted therapies.
Hello, my name is Carlo Marchetti. I'm a researcher at the University of Colorado and the Veterans Hospital. My lab is extremely grateful to Wings of Hope because it was actually the first organization that believed in our research and then giving us funds that allowed us to study what we believe is important in pancreatic cancer. Specifically, we are focused on studying on how inflammatory pathway and immune cells affect the progression of pancreatic cancer. And thanks to Wings of Hope, we were able to advance this field, get new data, new discoveries that led us to move forward in this field. And without Wings of Hope, we were not able to move and to actually get more fundings because we were able to generate more preliminary data. So we are extremely thankful, and I was able to move our research forward. Currently, actually, we were able to establish conversation at this stage, but we hope that it's going to move forward to move our laboratory discovery in patient treatments. And again, this is still a project, but we have ongoing conversation on this. So thanks to Wings of Hope, we were able to do all this, and hopefully this collaboration is going to go somewhere that will impact patient lives.
So I'm Todd Pitts. I'm an associate professor in the Division of Medical Oncology, and I direct the GI Translational Research Corps. I've had the honor to have several grants from the Wings of Hope that have allowed us to develop many models that are used across the campus. Most of my research has been focused on finding new drugs to treat patients with pancreatic cancer. However, this current project that I am working on with Chris has allowed us to use some patient samples, plasma samples, that we've collected through a different project to look for markers that could help predict patients that have pancreatic cancer a lot earlier than the current diagnoses. So hopefully if these patients, if we can catch them early, then they'll have a better chance of survival.
Thank you, Dr. Pitts. That was a great explanation, and we're so grateful for the Wings of Hope funding. What we're doing is applying the thinking and the findings for using a plasma-based biomarker for Alzheimer's disease to detect early, using it as an early detection tool for pancreatic cancer. We have found targets that we think will allow us to detect pancreatic cancer earlier in patients using plasma samples, and we are awaiting some final, very preliminary but exciting data. So again, thank you to Wings of Hope for facilitating this project.